Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to be showing you where you'll find your O2 sensors or oxygen sensors on your KIA Rio. There's actually two of them, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to pop the hood open here so we can take a look in here. Pretty much all of the work as far as accessing them, and if you're working on them, replacing them, it's easier to do it from underneath, but I did want to show you kind of a top view because you can get some visibility to kind of familiarize yourself before going underneath. Now, if you do want to know more about O2 sensors, their functionality and terminology, things like that, you can check out a video I did more in depth about understanding them via the link above. I'll also have a link down in the description as well as some other links that might be beneficial for you. So let's take a look. Coming under the hood, there's your intake, here's your engine cover. You don't need to mess with that. However, if you want to come around the side here, you can usually see the sensors from the top, but the easier way is to get to them from the bottom. But let me just show you here from the top. If we come back here, you'll be able to see them back there. And there's your upstream sensor there. The downstream is just a little back behind there, but let's head underneath the vehicle so you can see it better. Now you will have to get the vehicle off the ground so you can get underneath, whether you want to use jack stands or if you want to use ramps. I'm using Rhino Ramps right here. If you want to see the product review on them, you can do so via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description, but I'd highly recommend either jack stands or ramps. You don't want to just rely on a regular jack since that can fail. But let's head underneath and I'll show you the sensors from the bottom where you can get better access to them. So coming underneath here, here's your oil pan. If you come past the oil pan here, there's a little opening, and then if we turn around, we can see everything. Turning under here, this is your CV axle. That's your catalytic converter right here. Now the catalytic converter, your O2 sensors are located before it and after it, and that's where you get the upstream and downstream. Upstream is before it, downstream is after. So if we come under here, turn a little bit more, it's a little bit tight here with the camera, but you can see right there, that is your upstream because it's before the catalytic converter. And then now if we just trace the catalytic converter a little further back, and you'll see the one right there after it, that is your downstream. So from underneath you have very good access to get to them and then to remove them. All right, well this pretty much wraps up this video on how to locate the O2 sensors or oxygen sensors on your KIA Rio. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with maybe any projects you're working on, whether you're trying to replace the O2 sensors or just trying to locate them for whatever maintenance you're doing. If you have any questions, comments, please send them. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.